Avionics is a really good field for somebody that's interested in electronics, kind of computer savvy, loves to take electronic things apart and learn how they tick and how it works. Here today, the students are working on their Build Buddy, a mock-up of an aircraft cockpit panel with the pilot side as well as the co-pilot side. This will be the foundation work for the avionics course. This is where they start at learning the wiring, learning the basics, how to strip shielded wire, how to strip and terminate coaxial wire. These right here, these are the external speaker jacks. You have the headphone and microphone jack for the co-pilot, your push-to-talk, auxiliary or the music jack. This is your on-off switch for all the avionics in here. Our bank of circuit breakers. This is the master avionics circuit breaker that feeds everything downstream. They'll be adding a course deviation indicator instrument in right here, which will tell the pilot if they're on course or off course and how far off course they are. We have our 28-volt DC power inputs, both positive and negative, and our pilot panel, the push-to-talk, microphone jack, and the headphone jack. And of course the on and off switch for all the avionics systems here. In this particular class, wiring the co-pilot and the pilot panel, they're going to be working with the shielded wire. These are the DB9 connectors, setting up these connectors that are going to connect to the pins in the nav class where they're going to add to it. And of course, with avionics, whenever they get to the end of the avionics program, this will be their Build Buddy where they have different racks in here for the avionics components equipment. We're using the Garmin equipment here. Everything's got to be secure, tight, and laced down. That way it prevents wiring from chafing on aircraft components or any of the avionic racks. We want to take care of the wire, protect the wire, and make sure the wire doesn't get damaged on installation or during use.